Former Congress MLA Nehlang Lyngdoh and his supporters had formally joined the National People's Party at a special function at the party office in Shillong on 16th March 2022. Lyngdoh and his supporters were welcomed into the fold by National President of the NPP and Chief Minister of Meghalaya, CONRAD SANGMA, in the presence of Deputy Chief Minister PRESTONE TYNSONG, Cabinet Ministers SNIAWBHALANG DHAR, DASAKHIAT LAMARE, besides party workers and supporters.
Let's all please stand up. Let's all please stand up.
National President of the NPP CONRAD SANGMA, while speaking to reporters after the official function, said that the NPP had confidently fought the elections in Manipur without undergoing any sort of stress or strain through the entire process. Though the party could not cross the expected double-digit mark in the Manipur elections, yet it did lose only by a thin margin, added Sangma. On the question of being an alliance in the BJP-led coalition in Manipur, CONRAD Sangma said that his party is happy to be part of it as long as the BJP so desires for the party to be part of the coalition. As for the status of the NPP-BJP alliance in the MDA government in Meghalaya, NPP's national president informed that the party will still work with the BJP in the coalition while also keeping in mind its commitment to each party in the government.
Now in this election in Manipur, we had expected that we will cross double digits. We got 7 seats. In 15 of the seats, we came second. In fact, in 5 seats, we lost by less than 300 votes. So it was a very, very close call for us. And if things had been slightly better, maybe we would have crossed the double-digit mark. We also saw that NPP has emerged as the second largest party, and we have increased our vote share from 5% to 17% in Manipur, which is a huge jump and reflects the kind of growth that the party is having. So having said that, yes, it did not go exactly as we planned, but that's the nature of politics, and we will see how things unfold in the next few days, and accordingly we'll decide how to move forward. And I've also made it clear to the NDA and the BJP leadership that they have the numbers, they don't require the support of any political party. But if the BJP so desires that the coalition principle that we are following in other parts of the country be followed in Manipur, we are open to supporting the government in Manipur of the BJP.
The national president of the NPP, CONRAD Sangma, had also spoken to the media on the need for scientific mining in the state. Sangma informed that so far 17 individuals had applied for undertaking the project, while more are expected to come forward to apply for the same.
So 17 is the first lot. I'm sure that once these individuals are able to move forward, there will be many more who will apply. So we feel that it should start. So let the process start. The point is that right now the process of actually scientific mining has not started. But I'm sure that once 1 or 2 get, confidence will build up, and we'll see that many more miners and landowners will come forward and go for scientific mining.
While discussing on the ongoing settlement of the border dispute between Meghalaya and Assam, Chief Minister CONRAD Sangma said that the state government has been speaking to the people belonging to the areas of differences, and at the same time various constraints and challenges encountered during the process of settlement have been explained to the people so that they understand that the government is working hard towards a permanent solution to the long pending boundary issue between the two states.
Stakeholders have been called again and again to discuss these issues. The HIMAs also were called. So there has been a communication at all levels, and all the stakeholders have been informed about different developments that were taking place. And more or less there's a consensus. Yes, in 1 or 2 areas, some people had said that if it could be done in a much better manner. But we explained to them the constraints of the way the process is moving forward, that we cannot have everything the way we would want it, because we are basing certain areas on certain principles, and now if those principles don't apply to another area and we apply a different principle because it doesn't suit us anymore, then it does not go in a true spirit of the discussion and negotiation that we're doing. So there are constraints, there are challenges, but we have tried to move towards the best solution, and I'm hopeful we'll try to explain to everybody why this is the best way to move forward, and we need to ultimately find a solution in this problem.